You never could find a plum pizza. Yes, I'm Roman and today we are in the kitchen again. For today's video, I'll be following Olivier's recipe, here's his channel, for homemade pizza. However, I will be making a few adjustments to make it a little bit more spicy. Let's go. So first of all, we have our pizza dough. Next, we have our yeast. Then we have tomato sauce for pizza. I also have fresh tomatoes and I'll be using them together. And we have some pepper. I couldn't find jalapenos or other type of pepper. Then we have vegan cheese. And then we have vegan meat, tofu. You can say it's a pepperoni. We also have our salt. And finally, we have our pineapple. Let's go.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto ad un giro d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto ad un giro d'amor.
Alright, so it starts.
Non più avrai questi bei panacchini, quel cappello leggero galante, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante, quel vermiglio d'onesco color, quel vermiglio d'onesco color. Non più avrai quei panacchini, quel cappello, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante. Non chiudrai farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno.
Bellissimo, mamma mia.
Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto ad un giro d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo.
I'm eager to see what my pizza tastes like. First of all, it smells really good. Oh, it cuts nicely too. Wow. I think the dough might be raw. Okay. That's my timer. Means that the other one is done. Okay, it cuts good. Well. Okay. You see that? By the way, I have bought pizza from different restaurants and I've received raw crust, so I'm not the only one. I really like pineapple on pizza. It makes it taste even better. Trust me, I really like when pizza is hot. This is
delicious.
Round 2.
So here's the second pizza. This one I will not eat off all of it because I need to leave some for later or tomorrow. I am proud of myself because it's my first time baking a pizza and it's my third time baking. The first time went horribly wrong some long time ago. The second time was with my baguette. The third time is with this, and I am pleased. However, I will note that I did not follow the recipe completely because I did not use the same measurements. I just used my head. Also, I was supposed to have put the oven at 220 degrees, but I had mine at 250. And the fact that I used an oven instead of a fireplace, I'm not sure if it makes a difference. Nonetheless, for my first try, I am pleased. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. What would you like me to try next? Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao. This I will eat either later or tomorrow. I'll see. Ooh.